found a big one?
Guys!
Oh, I wanna. What's like C? Did he die? I don't see him anymore.
I think he died. Hi guys, welcome back to today's YouTube video. Today's YouTube video, as you saw, is me and my friends goofing off in Lethal Company. If you guys enjoyed, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you.
What the button is to talk.
All right,
if I do push to talk.
Who wants to teleport in?
I'll do it.
Let's go.
I'm a pussy. I'm not doing that shit.
Let's go.
Let's go!
What?
You fucking bitch. You fucking
I prefer
bitch.
life.
Fuck off. Claire's such a
He shove you.
lovely woman.
Nox instantly died, I think.
I don't care.
Oh wait, no. That you just. Oh, if they inverse teleport, see them.
Yeah,
on
I'm not
the
listening about Yap Sesh.
Fucking Claire's such a lovely woman.
Crazy Yap Sesh.
Guys, if you inverse teleport people in, you can't see them on the camera.
No, you can't. It's just
No, it says lost signal, Jude.
oh, we changed that.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny.
I didn't real.
Yeah, Julie,
Guys, I'm
your
sorry.
microphone is picking up everything. You move in your chair, I can hear
Dude,
it.
I can hear you breathe sometimes.
Yeah, your mic is really sensitive.
I don't know if I turn on push. I don't.
That's a mind shot.
Let's go!
It doesn't give me an option to choose what button to click to talk.
Press, press, press.
Is the problem?
Oh,
You're an
sorry.
asshole.
We didn't even push you. You're just too big. Did you push her?
We're too big back. I pushed her ass on the steps.
I got
Let's
two-
make it delayed.
I got 2 keys. Guys, are you
They got an
live?
actual- Another key.
I got here. Wait, I used one. What's in it?
There was a button.
What the fuck's going on?
Hey, but I think I hear him on the right.
Help! Wait, hey, wait,
But they're-
Jude. My flashlight, I think it's broken.
No, it's working. I
Yeah,
can see it.
yeah, but I can't drop it. Cause like
You
it,
switched it?
I'm on it, but like it's not able to like be used.
Because you're holding your key on my screen. So your thing's glitched. You might need to drop the key first. It might work.
I still holding the key.
No, that's your other key.
I know. I used the other key. I don't have another key in my inventory.
Oh, shoot. So your key is getting messed up and your key is overlaid. Meaning that you can't turn on the flashlight.
Well, the flashlight's not dying, so I have an infinite flashlight.
Wait, I need to drop. I have full inventory.
God, okay, that was a waste.
Will it ever come down?
No. Julia.
There's more bottles.
Liam.
Big thing.
Liam.
This is worth 40. What do I have in my hand?
Liam.
46.
Liam, this
Who?
is more expensive.
Oni-chan.
Liam, these bottles right here.
I need to drop some stuff off.
Ohio.
Where are you?
Oni-chan. Are you guys in a cave?
Or you push the top.
Oh!
Yeah.
Liam, over here!
I was gonna say over here,
Where's
guys.
over here? We're free.
Turn!
How do we get out of? How do we get out of here?
Guys. Ohio. Oni-chan.
Why didn't try and shoot me?
I don't know.
How do we get out?
Watch out!
Damn it.
Watch out! There's another one. There's another one. Is there more stuff back there?
Yeah, there's a shit ton.
How do I get out?
Where are you Get away from me, Claire.
What happened? Guys?
Claire. Fuck. Claire, try the emergency exit.
Guys?
Claire.
Fuck!
Brandon.
Yeah, what's up, big dog?
I'm gonna try the fire exit. What, are you dead?
Oh, the bug's chasing me. The bug's chasing me. I'm dead. I'm dead. The bug, watch out. There's
I'm gonna try the fire.
Liam, watch out. There's a.
I'm gonna go through the fire exit. Let's see if that's.
Oh my god, the sunburn! Try it! Try it! Try it!
Brandon, the fire! Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! How do we leave?
This way, big dog.
My hands are full. I weigh 60 pounds. Okay, we gotta teleport Claire.
But there's still,
And there's a shit ton of loot over there.
There's so much loot.
It's a good thing that's an actual fire.
You want to just drop the items and then go back?
I might die if I fall.
How much health are you at?
I'm at, like, red.
Yeah, you might die if you fall.
I'll jump onto this cliff over here, Brandon. Let's see if it'll slow my fall.
Come on, brother.
It did.
All right, cool beans. What's that?
What the fuck is this?
I got an ad.
Huh? Why is there an ad on our screen?
Radar boosters, 40% off, brothers. All right, Liam, I'm going back in.
You might as well get it.
Why? Wait, my game's glitched, guys. What the fuck?
What's what happened?
It says I have a flashlight in my inventory, but I don't. Well, I just have a flashlight on. I'm going back in.
I think she paid for it. Right. Reverse teleport?
My bad, I didn't mean to.
I want to immerse yourself, but I know you're going to do it anyways. I think you're right.
No, we gotta. We got it. It's part of the grind. Come on, leave me out of it.
Let's go, guys.
I will leave. I will leave. I don't fucking care. I will leave.
Which one of you pushed me into the wall? Oh.
Watch out for the bird. Don't go near it, or we will die.
What's your problem?
Karma.
What's your problem? I didn't fucking do that to you. What the fuck do you mean karma? You pushed me out again.
Somebody was pushing me into the fucking wall.
I didn't push the button at all.
I'm gonna kill Liam.
I was gonna just sit
You beat
there.
me back up, didn't you?
No,
You can't even lie, bro.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are.
Oh, whatever. I'm not lying.
Dude, one of those two was fucking attacking me.
Where's the bird? I heard there's a bird again.
I heard your name, so... Or not your name, your voice.
Oh, the bird's over there.
bird?
The bird's over there.
I want the egg.
Hey,
Let's get the
Hey,
let's
wait.
get the egg, Brandon.
let's go get the bird, Julia. Come on, Julia. Help us get the bird. Here, you want me to distract it? I'll distract it. Hey.
Oh, wait, I have to get in a good position for the egg.
Here, go across the bridge. Go across the bridge.
Where's the nest?
I don't know where your nest is, bitch. Where's your nest at, fucking bitch? Don't step at me. I don't know. Let's just wait and see where it goes. It's a nest right there.
It's across the bridge.
Here, you want me to distract it? I'll distract it. Hey, come on, bird. Come here, bird.
We can just go around the other side.
Well, let me distract it. You go across the other side. Oh. Here, yeah, you go across. I'll distract it. Come on, bird.
I can't tell if it sounds like Liam or I'm hearing Liam through yours.
I think I'm here. I think you hear Liam through mine. What do you want, bitch? What do you want, bitch? Come on, fucker. Step at me.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Liam, help me get the bird. Help me get the bird.
I got a key.
Claire's
Also,
on,
there's a spider right at...
Claire's on the other side. Let's distract it, Liam. Let's distract it. Hey.
Overcooked.
Hey.
I see it.
Hey.
It's right here.
Watch out.
Where's the nest?
Hey.
Where's the nest?
It's over there.
Look, fucking
It's
attack.
Oh! I'm on my way. Hey, hey, hey. Hell, my friends are cool.
It was Claire.
It was who?
I think it was Claire. I think she said apparatus guys, and then it went out. So I'm assuming it's Claire.
It was who?
Dude, you know what I did? I looked at Liam. I said, this is gonna piss everyone off. I'm gonna pull the apparatus. I'm lost.
There's a fire. There's a fire.
Yeah, Julia's pissed. Julia's upset.
I'm not upset.
Julia's upset, guys.
I'm not upset.
Julia's
I never
upset.
said I was upset.
Julia's upset.
I'm just kind of tired, not gonna lie.
Is this fire real? Guys?
Go for
Is
it.
the fire exit down here real?
Go for it. Give me your
Nah.
give me your items. Give me your items. Go for it.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good though. I'm good, bro. Are you gonna try it? You gonna try it?
Content.
No, you gotta try it. You gotta try it. You're the.
Well, I lived, so. Knox, watch out. There's a
Oh, God.
beehive. What?
Oh, it's there.
Did you see the bird?
Is there birds?
Oh,
It'll be fine.
I thought you saw a bird. I was excited.
Nah.
Run. There's the bird. There's the bird. All right, Knox, you want to try it? Knox, you want to try it?
No.
I'll grab an egg and
Oh,
then
God,
you
it's
grab an egg.
coming.
You grab an
No,
egg.
it's coming. No,
No,
it's
come on,
coming.
come
No,
on.
it's
Go, wait, we found the bird. We found the bird. We found the bird.
Cool. Should we try to grab the bees or not?
Well, I want to try to grab a bird egg.
I'll drop all my shit real quick and then we can try.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Egg beater.
Hey, we found the bird. We found the bird. Watch out, it's up there. Guys, we found the bird. We found the bird. Guys, the bird's over.
Brandon?
The bird's over here.
Well, we're going to get this beehive first, and then we'll go for bird.
The bird's
Everybody
like,
needs someone to plant the
watch out.
guys. So here's the strategy.
No, the
You need
bird's
someone
fine as long as
to
we
plant the explorers.
don't
We'll get
walk
you close,
towards it.
okay?
I
Well,
want
if
to.
you
I
wanna
want to
get
try.
loot-
I want to try to get the eggs. I'll be
I'll
the
discuss the plan.
sacrificial lamb. I'll be.
No.
waiting
Let
over.
us drop our stuff
No,
off. Let us drop
I
our stuff.
said I'll wait. I'm just gonna wait here,
So guys,
Have
we're going to
fun.
go.
guys.
Yeah, it's the all the way down door.
Liberty, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly.